Hello children, I am Tanuja Ma'am, your art and craft teacher of G.D.Goenka Public School. Now today we learn how to make Rakhi. First of all, we should know why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. This festival celebrates the love of a brother for his sister. On this day, sister tie Rakhi on the wrist of their brother to protect them against evil influence and pray for this long life and happiness. So let's start Rakhi making. I already prepared some kids Rakhi. Look. I already prepared kids Rakhi for little kids. It is made from felt paper. This is made from felt paper. Okay. Now we learn how to make Rakhi for another students. So let's start.